All right, let's get into it. Secret Qbot data, some tags to find this section, ideas. FILE896. We have this function here where we made a mistake way down here. It needs to be I_hi9. Before it was just hi9. This is the function we're working on. Let's go to where we started picking up, right? Master memory grid, this section right here. We need to figure out if our prefab data is offsetted by 2 cells on the y-axis. So if we look at this diagram right here, we can see an example of what we mean, right? So prefab data could be here, or it could be here within our master memory cell. So if VOS ends up being true, then we're going to offset our cell index on our 4x4 grid. Okay, we need to get the inclusive selection of pixels for the GPU memory. So we're going to convert C4X, C4Y to a pixel selection. Then we need to get which hotel XY cell we're in, right? So we're going to take the hotel index and convert it to an XY cell position on the master memory grid. And then we are going to take this local GPU pixel selection and globalize it using the hotel cell location, right? Each hotel is 512 by 512 pixels. If we are saving, then we go GPU to disk. If we are loading, we go disk to GPU. Okay, in keyboard master and down editor, we made a mistake. We need to support the single quote, but we also need to support the double quote because they're on the same key. Also, we're going to prevent opening a weird-ass search dialog box when we press that key. This is the code for the randomization brush. Here's what we did previously, and we have footnotes and diagrams and whatnot. And here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. This is the short advanced playlist on the Kanji Coder channel. Source code is here. You can email me here. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman Metroidvania game that uses proximity mines on timers with directional blasts. So it's not quite like Bomberman. Bomberman's a Model T. My game's more like a Ferrari in comparison.